What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week, or hope you had a great week. Some of you might even already have some weekend going on if you're in Oceania or Asia, or at least East Asia. But in this video, it's still morning for me. We'll take a look at Bitcoin for today. All right, we'll have a full we'll do a full update. Right off the bat, though, I do want to say that at this moment, I would say predicting Bitcoin is quite hard. All right, and the reason for that is that if I look at all the indicators, or at least the indications that I normally use to analyze, it's very neutral. All right, some indications are telling me that we can actually have that bullish breakout above 67,000, and that we can rally back up to 71,000 and 72,000 and potentially even higher. And other indications are telling me that, we'll just continue to move sideways here, and it's more likely that we'll drop down to a support level like 58,000 soon. So I don't have a definitive prediction or thought on Bitcoin. The main way I go about it right now is I just react to what Bitcoin is doing. All right, but yeah, I still will give you a full overview. All right, see, what's bullish is that if you go to the daily time frame, for example, what we've basically been doing in the last in the last 2 months almost, is consolidating in this region between 61,000 and ultimately like 71,500. So we just hit the bottom. So that would mean, or at least you would say that would mean that after hitting the bottom, we'll get back up to the top of the consolidation again. All right. So if we're just purely judging off of a market structure, then it would be most likely that we will get that breakout eventually and rally back up. Now, on the other hand, which is a little bit more bearish, there's quite a lot of bad news right now. All right. First of all, the interest rates will probably not fall down, or they will probably not be cut for some time because the US inflation rate is still quite high. Then apart from that, the Ethereum ETF will probably be delayed or denied, which is also bearish for the crypto market as a whole. And then there's also the SEC that's doing a lot of things about crypto projects right now, which is also just regulatory bearish news. So it's and then what's neutral is the momentum. All right, you can see the momentum right now. If I can quickly refresh that, because it looks a little bit outdated. If you look at the momentum right here, it's actually just bouncing up and down, and you can see that the momentum has decreased quite a bit right here in the last 2 hours, while the price has remained neutral. So that means that shorts have been closed. That could be observed as bullish, but the spot selling has been pretty big since, basically since the 23rd. So that's Tuesday, I believe. So that's then quite bearish. So it's all of these different factors kind of battling up against each other. And I would say that the smartest thing probably to expect is further bearish confirmation. All right, Bitcoin is still up pretty high, right? We're still at 64,000. If you would have told us that a year ago, you would have thought that was crazy, right? So we're still holding up quite high, and to hold up these prices, you do need some sort of momentum. You do need some sort of volume. And what you see right now is that the volume for Bitcoin is already dropping back down. At least if you check it out right here, you can see that yesterday the volume topped at around 35 billion. That's dropping down. And then you look at the momentum, there's no momentum increase or anything, and that is what you need. All right, if you want to have bullish momentum, you need to see some momentum increase, of course. And then there's spot selling. So I would say it's most likely that Bitcoin will continue to fall down to this level right here between 62 and 61,000, and from there we'll have to see again. All right, because from that level there's basically two scenarios. Either we bounce back, we gain momentum, bounce back up to 67,000, or we do not gain momentum, and then we will probably drop down below 61,000 and drop down to that level between 60 and 58,000. So that's something we'll still have to monitor. I'll make sure to tell you. All right, right now I cover Bitcoin twice a day, almost every day. So make sure to keep your eyes on that. For now, just be careful. All right, it's better to wait for that confirmation, or it's better to wait for some sort of development or change in the structure or the movement of the open interest, which is momentum. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.